Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to prime my eyelids using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. And I'm just going to blend that all over my lid. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram to see all of my makeup looks. I'm going to be using the Morphe times James Charles palette. I'm going to take this orange shadow and put that all over my crease. I'm going to build up that color and make sure everything is pigmented. Now I'm going to deepen my crease using this maroon color. I want to put that directly in my crease, but also a little bit above because I have hooded eyelids. I'm just going to blend that out using circular motions, going back and forth. Now I'm taking this dark plum color and I'm going to put that directly in my crease and a little bit above, and I want to blend that out in circular motions as well to make sure everything blends out together. Now I'm going to cut my crease using that same concealer I primed my eyelids with, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I'm going to use this green eyeshadow and put that right in the line where I cut my crease. So I'm not going to put that all over my lid because I'm going to do a double cut crease. I'm just making sure I pack that color on. Now I'm going to cut my crease again using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I don't know what's the name of that little dance that I just did, but everybody be doing it and I like that dance. It just looks so funny to me. For my lid color, I'm using this nude eyeshadow, and I'm going to just pack that right on to my lid. Just want to pack that color on, make sure everything is looking neat and pigmented. For my outer corner, I'm going to take that same orange shade and just blend the edges of that nude eyeshadow that I have on my lids. Going back in with that plum color, I'm going to deepen the outer corners of my eyes with that and just blend everything together. The mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Big Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to prep my lashes for my false lashes. And I'm using these lashes. These are actually my friend's lash line, so I'm not exactly sure of the name of these lashes, but I'm going to apply these. They're actually really pretty and natural looking. I'm priming my face with a Rimmel London Stay Matte Foundation Primer. Yep, that's what it is, the foundation primer. Today I'm using one of my favorites, my Makeup Forever foundation. I'm just going to blend that all over my face using the flat kabuki brush. I love this foundation. It just blends out so smooth. It'll match my skin color so good. Oh my goodness. I'm going to highlight using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow. And I'm going to blend that out using the damp beauty blender. It's damp with water. And I'm just going to blend that out. See? Highlighting the contour has got to be my favorite step of makeup. Like, I just love the process of this part. I'm contouring with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Expresso, and I'm just going to go on my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead. And I'm just going to blend that out using a stippling brush by e.l.f. And I'm just going to drag the excess concealer along my jawline. Just make sure everything is blended out greatly. To set my concealer in my highlight areas, I'm going to be using Airspun. You guys, this is a very good dupe for the Laura Mercier setting powder. This is like $5 at your local Walmart or drugstore, whereas Laura Mercier is like $35 at Sephora. This is a good investment. And then I'm going to contour using an Ulta, and I'm just going to put the warmth back into my skin, my cheekbones, my forehead, along my jawline, and my nose. I'm going to dust away the excess setting powder and just blend everything out with this big fluffy brush. I'm going to clean up my contour with that same setting powder. I'm lining my eyes using any black eyeliner. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark plum eyeshadow and run that along my lash line. And then I'm going to go in with that orange eyeshadow and run that like a little bit lower to make everything blend, to have that same effect as we do on the eyes. I'm going to dust away that excess powder and make sure it's not a harsh line there. Just blend everything out. I'm going to use that same mascara and put that along my lower lashes. I want to set my face using the Morphe setting mist and spray that all over. Make sure it's nice and soapy. For my highlighter, I'm using the Aurora highlighter palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to put that along my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and my eyebrow bone. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and share for me. This highlighter be popping, y'all. Do y'all see it? For my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Brown Lip Liner, and then I'm going to go in with Ritzy Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Rich Nude. And then this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.